the way I ask ChatGPT to generate these questions is by chapter, because I find that it really could not concentrate, or it really could not do like the whole, let's say, 250 questions at once. So for me, it's best to just ask by chapter, and because of that, it does have a bias towards B and C, towards the middle, and most human teachers, or those who produce these questions, says that they do actually pick the middle, but that's because they don't see the big picture, which is how that actually looks like or feels like from the test taker's point of view. So, but there's actually, I would think, I haven't tried it yet, but I might possibly tell ChatGPT to make sure not to always pick B or C, to also pick A and C. So I wasn't able to catch that, to pay attention to that, because I was just still starting to create those questions. I only have the 2 books finished, and then when I actually did the summary, that's when I realized, it did, the ChatGPT does have a bias for B and C, and I felt that too when I took the test, that the answers were always B. It's like straight B, like 8 times, and then another B 10 times. So like, oh, so it does have a bias. So, but like I said, you can just ask ChatGPT to make sure to also, to be balanced and pick A and D, because it does, have its own, placement, priorities or preference. It said that A is too obvious and D feels like an afterthought. So that's kind of thinking leads to, that predictable B, because in the entirety as a whole, it will result to a test questions that will have a majority B or C, or the middle. So